to her for the first time. She probably doesn't remember this, but backstage here at the Waikiki Shell, Henry Kopono said, I want you to meet somebody. She's going to be really big one day. You got to see her. Brought us back. Introduced me to her. Wow, just put me in the dark, eh? back in the dark. Anyway, he introduced me to her backstage, and she said, watch, this lady's gonna be really, really big. Right after that, she joined the Hawaiian Style Band, and then she went on her own, and yes, Henry was right. Would you please welcome Sister Roby Kahakalao?
Oh, David, thank you so much. And now look, she's really big. Oh, wait. Sa! Mahalo. Well, here we go. 1, 2. Hawaiian Style Band. This was a song that I recorded long time ago with HBC. Ooh.